Chapter 5 Practice Manual January 2017 Question 1. Discuss the key characteristics of waterfall model in brief. Also explain its major weaknesses. Check this. So key characteristics of waterfall model are given as follows. Project is divided into sequential phases with some overlap and splashback acceptable between phases. Emphasis is on planning, time schedules, target dates, budgets, and implementation of an entire system at one time. Tight control is maintained over the life of the project through use of extensive written documentation as well as through formal reviews and through use of extensive written documentation and approval or sign off by the user and information technology management occurring at the end of the most phases before beginning the next phase. Though it is a highly useful model, but it suffers from various weaknesses. So experts and practitioners identify a number of weaknesses including the following. So it is criticized to be inflexible, slow, costly, and cumbersome due to significant structure and tight controls. Project progresses forward with only slight movement backward. There is a little to iterate, which may be essential in some situation. It depends upon early identification and specification of requirements, even if the users may not be able to clearly define what they need early in the project. Requirement inconsistencies, missing system components, and unexpected development needs are often discovered during the design and coding. Problems are often not discovered until the system testing. System performance cannot be tested until the system is almost fully coded, and under the capacity may be difficult to correct. It is difficult to respond to changes which may occur later in the life cycle, and if undertaken it proves costly and are thus discouraged. It leads to excessive documentation whose updation to assure integrity is an uphill task and often time consuming. Written specifications are often difficult for users to read and thoroughly appreciate. It promotes gap between users and developers with a clear division of responsibility. Check once.